I have a problem with the casing of my oil furnace filter leaking. Thought maybe it was this washer, but then I got looking at it, and see that little hole there? If you can put it in the light. Yep, see, the light goes right through it. I did poke it through to confirm and cleaned it up. But yeah, there's a definite hole right there. It's got some rust on it. I kind of check around for other places, but it's okay. I would just buy a new one, but I'm going to retire the oil furnace at the end of the season because it's old. And it's about due, but I want to burn the rest of the fuel that I have so I can empty the tank outside. So I want to see if I can get this thing fixed. So what I want to do is solder it. This is steel, so solder should stick to steel okay. So we'll see how that works out. Okay. Seems to have covered it. It's hard getting the solder to go over the hole, but I got it. Yeah, you can tell it's pitted. I poked around inside and out. There's other spots that looked like it was pitting, but nothing that went through. Nothing very deep. But yeah, like I said, if I was going to keep this, I would replace it. But the furnace is going to be retired when a quarter tank of oil is used up. Probably a month or so. And hopefully this holds out. Okay, it's back together again. Purged out the air from the system. Be running again. Okay, so everything is back together and working. I'll dump my cherry cola into the tank. I put a piece of paper towel in here to show if it leaks. Hasn't been leaking. So keep an eye on that. Before it was dripping once every 2 or 3 seconds. And it's been together now for a while, so it's in good shape. So if your filter leaks, just go out and buy a new one. Don't do what I did unless it's an emergency. You know, it's the middle of winter and you need to get the heat going. And that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching.